Today I am making sour cream and onion dip to eat with some tortilla chips for an afternoon snack. This recipe is for 6 to 8 servings. The ingredients needed are 210 grams of sour cream, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and some tortilla chips to serve. The full list of ingredients is in the See More link. Cut the lemon into half, squeeze and strain the juice to remove all the seeds. Okay, lemon juice is ready. Put it aside. Pour all the sour cream in a mixing bowl. Add in the salt, onion powder, garlic powder, sugar, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix all the sour cream and seasonings. Then whisk it until well combined and really smooth. Alright, the consistency is very smooth. Now I can taste it. This is good. At this stage, more seasoning can be added as preferred. For me, I am adding 1 tablespoon of lemon juice for a slightly more sour dip. Whisk it again until well combined. Taste it. This is perfect and well balanced. Place it back in the sour cream tub and chew it in the fridge before servings. After a few hours, the sour cream sauce is nice and chilled. Let's dish out and serve. Put some sour cream and onion dip in a small bowl. Add the tortilla chips. This looks so appetizing. Let's eat. Oh wow, this is so good. It's creamy, sour and slightly sweet with a hint of onion and garlic taste. This goes so well with the crispy tortilla chips. Simple and great for an afternoon snack. Love it. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.